Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CorelCAD tutorial how to use hatch tool. Okay, for example, I will draw rectangle and we draw circle in the center of this rectangle object. After it, if you want to create patterns, we can use hatch tools. Type hatch, press enter. Now you can set for the patterns in here. As example, I will use ANSI 35. And you can sort the cursor into the objects. It will be automatically fill the boundary, and if you click, it will be automatically applied. If you want to change the color, you can click in here. Like I will set into yellow color, and you can click close to apply. If you want to set color in this boundary, you can tap hatch again, press enter, and you can change from these patterns into solid. You can scroll down and then choose a solid, and I will set the color like into green color. You can click in the circle and you can click close to apply. Okay, that's it for basic CorelCAD tutorial how to use hatch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.